December 28th, 2007. Look who's on his stomach. Hey, Tony. How are you? Oh, my God. My little boy can put his head up. How are you doing? How are you? Agoo. Agoo. Oh, my God, he's smiling. This is best video. La 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 la. Oh, so cute. So, oh my God, he's smiling. So what do you think? Grandma, Grandpa, look at him. What a strong looking boy. Yeah. You're getting better all the time. So I think this is update number 5. Very good, very good. What are you going to say? What are you going to say for yourself?
No. Don't put me on.
Don't put me on. Can I put me on? Blech. He is the handsome boy. Coochie coochie coo. Oh yeah, make it happy. Very good. Well, there you go, world of YouTube. This is Wooshy Tony update number 5. Or maybe it's 5A if I happen to make a mistake in my counting. Look at him. My God.